Hey guys, ever got to the boat ramp or even halfway to the boat ramp and realised you haven't got your favourite lure, pair of pliers, leader or something you need for that trip? Well, we all have. So in this video I'm going to show you guys what I do nowadays, or what I've been doing for a few years. So when I'm actually going fishing, I want for nothing. I pretty much take everything I need and I have it all stored away. So what I'm going to do is just show you how. Because in a few months I've got the new boat coming, as I've told you, and when I get that I'll actually show you this system in step, and it's really good. Okay, so we're just going to walk through what I take fishing, or how I set it up to take, so I'm never looking for something, I never miss out, and how I've got my shed set up, just so it's quick and easy and simple to grab. Okay, so as you've seen in the videos before, I've got reels to the side, I've got rods behind me, so I can grab whatever reels I want for whatever rods. It's all there, it's quick, it's easy. I can match them up for what I need to go fishing. And you've seen behind me there's all the tackle trays and everything else. And they're all sorted into types of lures I've got, and leaders, and my go-tos like my lip grips and pliers and knives and sharpening stones, everything else. They're all in little boxes. And there's a reason for that. I'm going to show you why now. Okay. So back in the day when I used to have a nice boat a little while ago, and that also had casting platforms in it, I had tubs like this, guys. Okay, you can get these from cheap shops, tubs like this with lids. Okay, and I used to, on my older boats, and when I get the new one it's going to be the same. I'm going to have three of these tubs. Alright guys, just 3 of these up on the platform. The reason being I started this is because when I used to go fishing with friends in their boats, I noticed under the platforms all I had was a battery for the electric, a couple of life jackets, and then like a couple of wet weather jackets, and just basically shit everywhere. And all their fishing gear was still in tackle bags or tackle boxes on the decks, around the deck. And I'm thinking, what's the point of having it all on the deck and you're tripping over it when you got the platform there? And 9 times out of 10 when I went with them, they'd always misplace or left home a leader they wanted, or a pair of pliers or a lure or something, every time. So I decided years ago, this is how I'm going to do it, and it's worked well for me. So I went and bought tubs. So if you've got a boat and you've got some underfloor storage or under, casting decks or somewhere, which most of us have nowadays, buy yourself some of these. But when you go fishing, the best part about them is when you buy them with lids, doesn't matter if you get a bit of spray on the boat, nothing in there gets wet. When you go home, wash the boat, they stay there, nothing gets wet, it all stays dry. That's great. If you put your shed or your boat away in a shed, you can leave all this stuff in the shed, which is fantastic, or behind a fence or somewhere secure, that's great. But if it has to stay at the front of the road or a driveway and you're not real sure about your neighbours or whatever, yeah, it can be a little bit of a problem getting them out and putting them in the shed, but it's not too bad, because don't forget, they're all in these, so I'm going to have 3 of these. Just put 3 of these on the side of the boat and walk them to the shed. It's no big major drama, okay? So what I do is, I've got the tubs. And how are we going to do this? Doesn't matter what I grab, so it's only for show and tell. So I'm going out to the reef fishing. So first I'll grab hooks and sinkers. So don't know if I'm going to put any baits down later, which I probably will. And then I've got some of my favourite lures. They're all jerk baits. I'll throw them in the tub. Okay, there's more jerk baits, but I don't want them. I might want some plastics. I'll throw them in the tub. Okay. Some trolling lures. Not going to be trolling, or maybe, but you're always going to be jigging nowadays. Micro jigging's a very big thing, so look at the micro jigs in there. Throw them in the tub. Okay. So I've got a lot of lures in there, a lot of jigs, some jerk baits for up in the shallows, or if you're down south you want to throw some casting slugs in there, or some poppers or stick baits or whatever you're going to use, or trolling lures if you're down trolling for tuna or mackerel or something. What you mainly use through in the tub, okay? And then on the side of that, in another tub, I've got leaders. So, like I said, I'll have 3 of these tubs, so I'll have leaders in another tub, okay? And then, most important, my go-to box. That's always in the tub and always in the boat, and that's got gloves, brag mats, knives, all the stuff you need, scissors. So you'll have like these 2 in another box, another one of these big boxes. And then you can have a third box, okay? Once again, and that one can have like a couple of weather jackets in it for you. Some more lures if you want more lures. What else? Maybe a big box of hooks, but have a third one, and you can have that with mixed stuff in it. And it's always, this is always under your platform or under the floor. And it's easy to get to. And when you're done with a day's fishing, throw your leaders back in the box. Throw your knives and stuff out of your side pockets back in the box on the way home. Put them under the deck. All you got to do when you get home, put the boat in the trailer, give it a wash, go home. This all stays in the boat, under the platform. It's fantastic. All your favourite lures you use for offshore. You can take a whole bunch in one of these boxes. As if I just showed you then. Like, you got those two. I've got 4 big tubs in there, 4 of them. And I've still got room to put some smaller tubs in there for, like I said, casting lures. Little stick baits, if I'm in the rivers or something, plastics. Squid jigs, if I'm down south and I do a lot of squid fishing or something. Put 8 squid jigs or something in. But you can put all your stuff in here. And it's a cheap way to do it. Yes, I've seen the boats in America and stuff, and the guys, and they use these type of tackle trays, and they've got slits up under their platforms. And that's all very good and well, but those boats are worth a lot of money, and all that stuff's worth a lot of money. This is quite cheap, and it works. It's cheap, simple, works. Just get yourself a big tub. Put it on the platform. Okay? So that's how I do my fishing gear when I go fishing. And once the boat arrives, I'll put all this in action, I'll show you guys. It's all under the platform, it stays there. Everything you need. You'll never miss out or one friend of them when you go. Okay? Like I said, behind me in the tackle shed, I've got the rods over there in the corner. I've got gaffs next to it, I've got rulers next to it, I've got my downrigger. It's all there, ready to grab. It's not all thrown about the shed, as you can see. It's all behind me, and on the tables. Just a quick, simple, easy method. I'll move out of the way for a second, just so you can see. You can see the rods. You can see all the tubs. I can grab whatever I want when I want to go fishing. From the shed. So if I'm not taking the boat out, I want to go walk on the banks or something, I've got a bag. Okay, just with your bag. You grab your leader or two. Okay? Throw it in the bag. Out of your tub that's either in the boat or whatever, or behind you. Grab a pair of scissors, throw it in the tub. Throw your brag mat and stuff in the tub. You're going to walk on the bank for floating. There's a box of micro mullets, pigs and everything else. Throw that in your tub. In your bag. Grab a rod from the rod rack or 2 rods, usually just one, go for a walk. Throw that in your back, go for a walk. Quick, simple. You won't be digging around through tackle boxes, you're not looking through big tackle bags. Or look, when I get to friends' houses, they have bits over here and a bit over there and a bit over there. And it takes them half an hour to find a couple of freaking lures. It drives me insane because I just want to go fishing. So this way, it's all rigged up, ready to go. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy, guys, and it works. And the other thing is too, I'm actually leaving this house in roughly a couple of months. So I'm looking for somewhere else at the moment. But I have seen a few tackle storage things online, which I'm thinking I might buy myself a couple. If you haven't got much room in the shed or something, or you want somewhere to stick your gear, I'm going to put in the links down below. There's some tackle storage systems. They look pretty good actually. So have a look if you're looking for a tackle storage. Some of these you can put rods on and put gear in them. So, and they've got wheels so you can move them around, so they're pretty trendy. And also guys, nowadays I've been writing some books, as a few of you already seen. I've got my 1001 fishing tips you can buy on Amazon, links down below. I've also done Mastering Mulloway now, that's another book I just wrote, that's be out in a few days. So keep an eye on the links for that one, I'll put it up in the videos when it's released from Amazon. That's a few days away. Once again, I keep on getting asked for Gold Coast marks, still getting asked for marks. So guys, once again, down below there's a buy me a coffee link. If you buy me a coffee, I'll send you my personal GPS marks for the Gold Coast. But a lot of these marks are the ones I used to use to catch all the big snapper and the dewies and the cobia and everything else. I'm not hiding, not lying, they are the marks. Okay? And a few other bits and pieces down there, so go down in the description, have a bit of a look around. And well, on that note, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out or gives you an idea on how to stack your boat. Stop wasting money on those big bulky tackle boxes that take up friggin' room. You can't put shit in. Sorry, Plano. But anyway, some tackle trays, a bag or a couple of boxes, stack your boat or go for a walk along the beaches. It's simple. And in the shed, just a table stacked full of tackle trays. Easy, simple way to do things, guys. Yep, I've talked enough. I'm going to see you again next week for another video. I have no idea what it's going to be on yet, but it'll be a surprise for both of us. See you then, guys, and thanks for watching.